Don't worry, completely harmless. But the physics? Oh, that's dangerous knowledge. What's up, Science Squad? I am Alexa, your friendly neighborhood physics nerd and a part-time sharpshooter. And today, I'm using this little toy gun not to cause chaos, but to uncover some serious science. That, my friends, wasn't just a toy shot. That was science in action. Welcome to projectile motion. Alright, let's break this down. Whenever you throw, shoot, or launch something into the air, it follows a path that's curved, not straight, not random, a smooth arc called a parabola. That's what we call projectile motion. Every projectile, from a toy dart to a cannonball, is battling between two forces: horizontal motion, the go forward part, and vertical motion, the fall down part, caused by gravity. See that? It doesn't just drop straight, it flies forward while also falling down. That's projectile motion right there. Let's break it down a bit more. When you fire a projectile, its velocity, let's call it v, can be split into two parts. V times cos theta, how fast it moves forward, and V times sin theta, how fast it goes up. Gravity immediately pulls it down at 9.8 meters per second squared. Boom! You just did trigonometry without realizing it. Alright, for my fellow physics fans, here are the main formulas. Don't worry if that looks scary, even Einstein had to start somewhere. The point is, all motion we just saw fits into these simple rules. Time to work with these formulas. Since the bullet landed 3.7 meters away within 0.5 seconds at 0-degree angle, we can now calculate the initial horizontal velocity. Using this formula, the calculated initial horizontal velocity is 6.14 meters per second. Given that, we can calculate the initial velocity, which is still 6.14 meter per second. Now, we'll calculate the vertical velocity, which is... Now, we'll calculate the height of where it was fired, using this formula. Substitute, then we get 1.225 meters. Now, to calculate the final vertical velocity, we'll use this formula. And we get 4.9 meter per second. Now, to calculate the final velocity of the bullet before hitting the ground, we use this formula. Substitute, then we get 7.85554 meter per second. That's it! We were able to calculate projectile motion isn't just for toy gun, it's literally everywhere. Every basketball shot that swishes through the hoop, every soccer ball that curves mid-air, the graceful arc of a fountain, and the fireworks you watch on New Year's Eve. Even fireworks obey the same equations of motion, just with more sparkles. Doesn't matter if it's a dart, water, or rocket, physics stays the same. Stay curious, stay awesome, and remember, science is everywhere, even in your toys.